The AI takeover is coming. Robots tracking objects in real time. Systems that understand text, images, videos, AI that can chat, drive cars, be your personal assistant. The future is now. Welcome back to Tech Blazer. Two groundbreaking projects are leading the charge. Google's Gemini AI aims to master all data types. MIT's Fan gives robots effortless vision. This is just the beginning. AI will soon reshape our world. Are you ready for the revolution? Then hit subscribe and let's dive in. Google's new Gemini AI system is a total game changer. This powerful AI could reshape how we use technology on a day-to-day basis. Gemini grew out of DeepMind's AlphaGo, the AI that shocked us all by beating a human world champion at the complex game Go. But unlike AlphaGo, which was limited to gameplay, Gemini has much grander ambitions. The goal is no less than creating flexible, general-purpose AI that can excel at all kinds of tasks across different data types like text, images, video, and more. This kind of artificial general intelligence is light years ahead of where we are today. So how does Gemini work its magic? It builds on the deep reinforcement learning techniques used to train AlphaGo to superhuman levels. Gemini keeps practicing and continuously improves by trial and error with feedback, just like a human learner. But the real innovation is in Gemini's underlying architecture. It's uniquely designed to handle many different data types simultaneously with ease. This opens up mind-blowing possibilities. If you're enjoying the video so far, subscribe now for more. Imagine an AI assistant that can seamlessly convert your speech into beautifully generated video content. Or one that takes your rough pencil sketches and instantly generates polished artwork, descriptions, and even full stories around them. The potential here is truly incredible. So why is Google investing so heavily into this quest for extreme AI? There are a few key motivations. First, advancing core AI capabilities will directly improve Google products we use every day. Search, YouTube recommendations, Maps navigation. By powering its own services, Google reaps immediate rewards from Gemini's development. Second, Google has exclusive access to gigantic amounts of data from users across its platforms like YouTube, Images, Maps, and more. All this data means more training for Gemini, helping it master real-world concepts at an exponential rate. Finally, Google plans to offer access to Gemini's abilities through cloud computing services. This means developers everywhere could tap into next-gen AI to create revolutionary new applications. The business implications are enormous. While we don't know exactly when Gemini will be unveiled, Google promised major updates coming soon. One thing's clear. Gemini represents a massive leap forward for AI with almost limitless potential. The applications could fundamentally transform how we interact with technology. So Gemini is an absolute game changer that may shape the future of AI as we know it. This is one project you'll definitely want to keep on your radar. Now let's move on to our next mind-blowing AI innovation. If Google's Gemini AI blew your mind, wait until you hear about Fan. This breakthrough innovation comes from researchers at MIT and Harvard, and it's poised to revolutionize robotic vision. Stay updated on the latest. Hit subscribe. So what exactly is FAN? It stands for Follow Anything Network, and it gives robots the amazing ability to track objects in real time using just a camera and simple human instructions. Before FAN, robotic vision systems relied on convolutional neural networks or CNNs. But these had major limitations. They could only recognize objects from predefined categories they were trained on, and they required careful tuning and calibration, not ideal for dynamic real-world settings. FAN breaks the mold completely. It uses an architecture called Vision Transformers or VITs. These actually process images more like humans do by understanding relationships between different regions and objects in a scene. This gives FAN a much more flexible understanding compared to CNNs. For example, a CNN-based system could only track a red ball if it had seen lots of red balls before. But with FAN, a person can just point to a new object, like a teapot, and say, "Track this." Its visual intelligence is on a whole new level. So how does FAN work exactly? Users give it a bounding box around the object they want tracked. This can be done by typing a description, showing a picture, or even just clicking on the object in a video. FAN then continuously follows this object across frames, even as the camera moves around. The amazing part is it keeps track in real time at high speeds, around 55 frames per second on a regular GPU. And it doesn't just track one object. Fan can follow multiple objects simultaneously, each with totally distinct instructions. For example, it could track a dog based on it barking, a car based on its license plate, and a person by their face. Its multitasking skills are unmatched. Fan also excels in challenging real-world settings. It remains accurate with occlusion, poor lighting, motion blur, and background interference thanks to those strong visual reasoning capabilities. This robustness makes it ideal for applications like self-driving cars and assistive robots. But what makes Fan truly groundbreaking is its potential to democratize robotics research and development. The creators have generously made the code and models public for anyone to use. This removes barriers for students, researchers, hobbyists, and companies with limited resources. Fan enables them to experiment with and build upon cutting-edge vision AI. Its accessibility combined with top-notch performance is a huge win for the AI community. Looking forward, Fan paves the way for innovative robotic systems that interact intelligently with objects and environments. Think household robots that can seamlessly pick up and deliver items, industrial robots that adapt to changes on a factory floor, or drones that can track everything happening at a construction site. The future looks bright thanks to Fan's remarkable capabilities. In fact, it recently earned the top prize in multiple categories at the prestigious NeurIPS 2021 conference, considered the Olympics of machine learning. So, Fan represents a revolutionary leap in real-time vision AI. Its public availability also opens up new possibilities for where robotics technology can go next. The team at MIT and Harvard has given us an incredibly valuable gift, advancing towards more intelligent, helpful AI systems. The innovations we've explored today are just a glimpse of what's possible as AI capabilities grow exponentially. There's no question, the future looks very promising for intelligent systems that can perceive and interact with the world around us. Just imagine AI assistants that can engage us in natural conversation, robots that smoothly navigate complex real-world environments, technology that responds to ordinary human instructions. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Join the AI revolution. Subscribe now. Advances like these could enable a wave of incredibly beneficial applications that transform our lives for the better. More intuitive healthcare, safer transportation, easier access to knowledge. The potential to help humanity is immense. However, as with any powerful technology, responsible stewardship is critical as progress marches forward. Researchers and tech leaders worldwide must continue addressing concerns around bias, security, and transparency through initiatives like AI safety alignment. The goal must be providing society with AI that is trustworthy, ethical, and enhances the human experience. With care and wisdom, our AI future shines bright. We've explored two groundbreaking projects today: Google's Gemini AI and MIT's Harvard's Fan system. They provide an exciting glimpse into a future with far more intelligent technology. But challenges remain to develop ethical, safe AI that benefits humanity. What concerns you most about more advanced AI? Which application are you most excited to see? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, be sure to subscribe TechBlazer and turn on notifications for more AI updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.